Hello health fans, today we'll explore deep into the tropical world of pineapples. These sweet and tangy fruits not only tease our tastes but also offer an excess of health benefits. Join us as we uncover the origins of pineapples, explore their remarkable health benefits and shed light on the potential drawbacks of canned pineapple products. Origins of pineapples. Pineapples, scientifically known as Ananas commosus, have a fascinating history rooted in the tropical regions of South America, particularly in the areas Paraguay and southern Brazil. Indigenous peoples of these regions were the first to cultivate and consume pineapples for their delicious flavor and medicinal properties. Pineapple health benefits. Treats cold and cough. If you are suffering from a bad cold, then incorporating pineapple benefits for cough and cold. This is because this healthy fruit contains bromelain, which is an enzyme that has inflammatory properties that can fight infections and kill bacteria. Strengthen bones. Pineapples is rich in manganese that helps in strengthening your bones. Manganese maintains good bone strength, and when it is combined with zinc, copper and calcium, this substance can be super healthy. Good for teeth. Eating pineapple is said to strengthen your gums and keep your health strong. Your teeth and bones are made up of calcium, and pineapple do have good content. It also does have manganese that also helps in strengthening bones and teeth. Prevents cancer. A pineapple a day can keep cancer away, and this is true in the case of this healthy fruit. The best thing about this fruit is that it slows down cell damage and makes you look younger. This fruit has loads of antioxidants in it, and that can protect you from a wide range of diseases and fight some dangerous organisms. Aids in digestion. Gulping down all of those tasty dishes can sometimes make you feel heavy and lead to indigestion. Pineapple has a rich source of bromelain, dietary fiber and vitamin C that helps in good digestion. Good for your eyes. Regular consumption of pineapple can reduce your risk of macular degeneration, which is a disease that affects the eye as you get older. However, this healthy fruit has a high source of vitamin C and several antioxidants that can aid in good vision. Reduces symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis involves severe pain in the joints, which is primarily caused due to inflammation. Pineapple contains bromelain, which is said to have a major anti-inflammatory properties. This will ease joint pain and prevent you from arthritis. Prevents hypertension. If you are suffering from hypertension, then make it a point to start eating pineapples regularly, as this fruit has high amounts of potassium and lower amounts of sodium that can maintain blood pressure and make you feel relaxed most often. This is the best natural way you can control your blood pressure level. Reduces risk of blood clots. Bromelain, being the major substance in pineapple, will reduce your risk of blood clots. Contains antioxidant. Pineapples are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that have the ability to prevent diseases that your body is prone to. Your body is prone to a lot of disease as you age, and as a result, this can cause chronic inflammation and weaken your immune system. Pineapple has antioxidant that can boost your immune system and protect you from many diseases. Prevents nausea. Pineapple contains digestive enzymes that can reduce nausea. This is because of its bromelain enzyme that will take away nausea, morning sickness, and can be very beneficial, especially for pregnant women. Natural energizer. Pineapple contains valine and leucine, are two substances that are very important for the growth and repair of muscle tissue. Pineapple benefits in overcoming fatigue and boosts your stamina to keep you running the whole day. The best thing about this fruit is that it will keep you hydrated the entire day and provide all the energy you would need to run yourself. Stress buster. Pineapple has serotonin, which is a natural stress buster that keeps your hormones and nerves relaxed. When you are stressed, you can end up inviting a lot of health problems. Pineapple benefits for skin. Pineapple is good for your overall health, and similarly, it is also good for your skin and hair too. If you are suffering from acne, skin rashes or skin damage, then you need to consume this healthy fruit, which will regenerate your skin and make it look clean and fresh. Treats acne. Pineapple has loads of vitamin C and antioxidant that can treat acne, sun damage and even skin toning. Bromelain is a content that can fight against inflammation. If you would want to look fair, then pineapple will help you beat all those scars caused by acne. It will also keep your skin hydrated and make your skin clear. Anti-aging properties. The older you get, your skin becomes to lose its glow and you will begin to develop wrinkles. However, pineapple can make you look younger and delay cells from dying. Its rich source of antioxidant and vitamin C is said to boost your immunity and keep you energetic. The best thing about consuming pineapple is that it will make your skin smooth and add that extra layer of youngness over it. You can also add a few drops of lemon to it, and this will multiply your benefits of anti-aging. Prevents pimples. Pineapple means that you are intaking alpha hydroxy acid, which is the main substance that delays the death of cells, thus aiding in anti-aging capabilities. All you need to do is to apply some pineapple juice over your face and let it dry for 5 minutes. Once this is done, you can rinse it off with some water and then flush away the toxin from your face, thus making your skin look vibrant and clean. Treats black spots. Pineapple can reduce black spots on your face, and in order to achieve this, you need to rub some slices of pineapple over your black spots. You need to keep it on your face for 5 minutes and wait it till it could dry. Once this is done, you can wash it away with some water and this will nourish your skin and make you look young. Pineapple benefits for hair. Pineapple is said to be rich in vitamin C and can aid in hair growth. Vitamin C gives your hair an extra layer of silkiness and makes it look thick. Thick hair. Pineapple has hair thickening properties that will make your hair strong and avoid hair fall. The enzymes present in this fruit has vital nutrients that can enrich your hair follicles. This will improve the thickness and elasticity of your hair. Cures inflammation in scalp. If you are suffering from severe itching, all you need to do is try some pineapple and this will give you instant relief. This healthy fruit is said to ease inflammation in your scalp and prevents unwanted hair fall. Speeds up muscle recovery. Pineapples contain a compound known as bromelain, and according to studies, it has demonstrated significant positive effects on muscle fatting due to exercise. It also protects from muscle damage and inflammation. That is therefore a great way to promote muscle recovery after workout. Helps recover from surgery. Similarly, the bromelain in pineapple has also been to be helpful to the body when it is recovering from surgical intervention. In fact, it has been discovered that bromelain is a potent as other anti-inflammatory drug. Moreover, bromelain has already been approved in some European countries for both internal and topical use on surgical wounds to facilitate faster healing. Promotes weight loss. A recent study on rats has proven that pineapple does have anti-obesity effects. According to the result of the study, raw pineapple has been seen to prevent the deposition of fats in rats that were put on specific diet. While the effects on humans have not yet been ratified, there is a good chance that raw pineapple juice may have a similar effects on human as well. Pineapple benefits for sexual health. Pineapple benefits in sex. It is believed to have positive effects on sexual health. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, it promotes improved blood circulation, potential enhancing sexual function for both men and women. The enzyme bromelain found in pineapple is thought to boost libido and contribute to reproductive health. Pineapple benefits for periods. Pineapple may offer relief from menstrual period due to its unique sets of benefits. Rich in bromelain and enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties, pineapple can potentially alleviate menstrual cramps and reduce bloating. Additionally, the fruit's vitamin C content may help regulate hormonal balance, easing premenstrual symptoms. Pineapple benefits for pregnancy. Pineapple benefits in pregnancy as this tropical fruit provides numerous advantages for expectant mothers. Rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C and manganese, it supports the development of the baby's bones and immune system. Drawbacks of canned pineapples. Many commercially available canned pineapples contain added sugars, syrups or artificial sweeteners to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. Excessive consumption of these added sugars can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance and other metabolic disorders. Furthermore, the canning process will lead to loss of some nutrients such as vitamin C and can introduce harmful chemicals such as bisphenol A from the lining of the cans. Conclusion. In conclusion, pineapples are a delicious and nutritious fruit that can provide numerous health benefits when consumed in moderation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of pineapples and their health benefits. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed insight into health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.